Hi everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me for this week's Friday haul. Today is Friday, November 14th. Hope everyone had a lovely week. I did, and I did get some good shopping in. I wanted to start off this haul with the winner of my giveaway from last week. It was in my Scrap Diva Designs November release video, the first one. So you had to leave a comment mentioning a retro box, which is this retro box that is the giveaway prize, and it's got some crafty goodies inside. I appreciate everybody who took the time to enter. That means a lot to me, and I'm glad you like this box. But I used the random comment picker for YouTube videos and chose a winner, and the winner is Shika B made it. So congratulations, Shika. Please email me at the email address in my description box and I will send this out to you. And I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much for your support of my channel and for everybody who entered too. I really appreciate your support, and there'll be more giveaways coming in the future, of course. All right, so let's get started. I have just a few things from a few different places. I went to Walmart a couple times. They've got some really cute Christmas stuff out. I picked up this gift card holder. Isn't this so cute? It was a little pricey. I think it was like $2.06. It was in like the main few aisles that have like, wrapping paper and candy and just other seasonal treats, candles. I wonder if that's supposed to be like that. I don't know. There's like, probably not, but it looks like kind of like glossy all over it. Yeah, I don't think so, but actually it kind of looks okay. Anyway, I thought this was so adorable, and whether I use it for a gift card or not, I just wanted to get it because it's just got that cute little retro vibe. So I got that. And then I got these, I already took this one off, but these straw toppers. This was on a display in that same area, and they had a bunch of different kinds. They're cooked with color, and they had like different color groupings, different kind of icons too. This one has obviously the pink ones, the cute little gingerbread girls, the bottles of milk with candy canes, and then the stacks of cookies with pink ribbon on them. And I think it was like 4 something, so I didn't think that was bad at all. The reason I took this off was I was going to give it to Millie to play with because she was trying to play with other stuff on my table, but she didn't actually want this. So I'll just use that as a straw topper. And then I also got these in that same section. They are peppermint soft puffs candy, and this is a big container. It's 1 pound 3 ounces. This was less than $5, and I like to use these. Well, they're nice to like use in your displays. They take up a lot of space and they look so nice and festive. But also when you're sending packages, whether it be like family gifts or to for Happy Mail. Can I get this open? They're fun to put in the packaging. Just to kind of like sprinkle in the tissue paper or whatever, and they kind of act like packing peanuts. They make your package smell nice and pepperminty, and then whoever gets it can eat them too because they're all individually wrapped. So yeah, got those. And if you've never tried these, they're really good. They taste like candy canes, but they have a really nice like softer kind of like airy texture. So I got those. And then I got these. Whoops, I opened them already because I needed a twist tie. They are pretzel bags. These are in the like party section, like my birthday plates and things like that. So I got these because there's a new die from KS Craft that's mini bag toppers, and I think that this will be a good size for those. So I thought that these would work good maybe for like pokey tools and beaded pens, depending on how thick they are. Let me see. Because you don't want them to like poke through, of course. So they look like they're pretty thin, but I will try them with those things and see how they work. If you didn't use them for that, there's also a new die that KS Craft put out. It's called the bookmark shaker, but no, I'm sorry, I'm just thinking like I think it might be too narrow this way, so I don't know if that'll work, but maybe other bookmarks would work. So we'll think about that. But anyway, I got that. I don't remember how much it costs, of course. And that's it from Walmart, crafty wise, kind of, sort of crafty wise. Target, I went last week with my daughter. I picked up these in the Christmas ornament section. These are white deer, and I have these in pink and aqua and blue. They're $3 for the two of them. And I thought these would be great for crafting too. I like to put the pink and the other color ones like in my displays, or even when I'm taking pictures for design team things. So I thought white would be a nice addition to my little family of deer. And that's all I got from Target, really, in sort of crafty wise. I went to HomeGoods. I've been going there for Christmas shopping and, of course. So anyway, I got this Pusheen blanket. It was $10. It says it's a pet blanket. I think because it's small, it's 30 by 40 inches. It was in the pet section. So I might put this in my craft room for Millie to sit on. Sometimes she likes to sit on one of the chairs when I'm crafting. So I thought this would be, nice for her to snuggle on and oh yeah, look, it's nice and plush on the other side. So it's aqua Sherpa on one side and then just like a soft velvety pink on the other, with Pusheen with their Santa hat on and scarf and gumdrops and candy canes. So yeah, this will be nice for her to snuggle on, and or Gus, but he doesn't tend to hang out with me as much anymore in the craft room. All right, and then Michael's, I got two things. One I ordered online and went to pick it up. It was this Creatology like shaker set. And once I saw it in real life, I didn't like it as much. It comes with, let's see, 5 different kinds of glitter. And I'll open this up so you can see them. Okay, got that open. So this was, by the way, this was $4.99, but I had a 40% off coupon. So it comes with this glitter that has like pink and red and white and like silver kind of lines. The rest are hexagons. Sorry, you couldn't see that. And then I didn't really like it because there's just a lot of like these glittery kind of shapes. I do like those snowflakes in there, and then they look like kind of like orange and pink, like translucent hexagons and stuff. I don't tend to use this kind of glitter much. It gets stuck to like the acetate on your shaker, so I don't really use them that much. This one has like little gems, which I think are very cute, green and pink and red. That's sealed shut, but you could see. And then it also comes with this glitter, cute little Christmas trees, white and lime green, and then these little like stars. And I think it's just stars, but just kind of like reds and pinks and purples. So yeah, not my favorite mix, but while I was there, I saw this mix, which I like much better. So I think they call them different, they definitely call them different things online, but I'm wondering if you see it here. I don't see the names. Craft Basics, but this one is 8+ and this one is 4+. That's interesting. And this one that I like better has a lot of clay embellishments, so that's why I like it better. I did open it already because I wanted to use this. These snowflakes, they're white snowflakes, I guess. Are they like the other ones? Yeah, but this one has more of a red glitter to it, and this one is kind of orangey pink. And it also comes with these clay beds, gingerbread people, and candy canes and sprinkles, and then some like, I think like kind of like ice cubes or ice something, like not cube shape, more like cylindrical. And then there's this container of gems. It's got bows, red bows, and just like clear kind of gems. So those are pretty. And then it comes with this one. This one's super cute. Look at all those peppermints. You've got red and pink, and then the green ones with like the minty part on the outside. And then there are little gingerbread houses too, the pink ones. So this is a great mixture, I thought. And then the only glitter I think is this one here. Well, there's 2 glitters, right? Yeah, the first one was kind of a glitter, but this one has like open stars, regular stars, and hexagons. So yeah, I got those. It's always nice to have new Christmassy glittery things. And I think that is it. Yeah, just not, I haven't been hauling that much lately. I still have a gift card from scrapbook.com that I got for my birthday. I just haven't used it yet. I'm thinking about getting a mini Misty stamp platform. I have the regular one, but if you have both, can you let me know if you think it's worth it to have both of them? I'm thinking I would keep the mini one on my desk when I have to do like a quick stamp. So yeah, I'm thinking about getting that. Besides that, there aren't really that many collections that I want right now. I don't think I'm going to get the new Doodlebug collection. I have plenty of Doodlebug Christmas, and from what I could see online, it's just not my favorite, the new one. It's got a lot of blue and bright colors, and that's just not really my Christmas style. So I think I'll hold off on getting that one unless somebody shows it and it looks different, which does happen. But for now, I don't think I'm going to get it. But yeah, let me know if you guys think it's worth it to have both of those stamp platforms, or if the big one is just enough. And besides that, I'll have a Chaos Craft video soon, and also Scrap Diva Designs. I'm working on more projects for Erica as well. Hope you guys have all been enjoying the November release from both Chaos Craft and Scrap Diva Designs. I've been having lots of fun working with them. So let's see. My Santa arrangements, the traditional color one has sold already, but I do still have the pink one available. It's on Etsy now, so if you want to take a look at that, it's on sale in my shop until Monday. So a good time to pick it up if you're interested. I will leave the link down below to my Etsy shop. And that's it, you guys. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you had a great week and you have a wonderful weekend. Let me know what you're up to. It should be kind of a rainy weekend. We had snow this week. We had like 6 inches of snow on, when was it? That was Tuesday, I think. So it's kind of crazy, but it's gone now. It's been raining. And that is it. I'm getting ready. Well, I've been decorating for Christmas, so that takes me a while because I have so much stuff. But yeah, it's going really good. So I will share with you my pictures when it's done. All right, so please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. Congratulations again to Shika B Made It, and thanks again to everybody who supports my channel. So I will talk to you later. Have a great weekend, guys. Bye-bye.